How to change your Spotify password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can change your Spotify password. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to change your Spotify password, the process cannot be done using the Spotify app. To change your password, you have to log in from your browser regardless. So go to spotify.com and then just tap the gear icon from the top right hand side. Then go to the option that says view account and then tap on it. Once you go to view account, you'll come to this page where if you look under the security and privacy tab, you'll find an option that says change password. So you can just tap the change password option here, enter the current password, enter the new password and repeat the new password, and then tap the set new password option to basically go ahead and then set a new password for your Spotify. This way you can change your Spotify password. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.